Divasaliwala Insurance, your one-stop shop for all kinds of insurance solutions. There are thousands of insurance agencies in India, but none of them operate the way Divasaliwala Insurance does. With more than 500 groups of families and 10 plus crores claims settled, this insurance agency has proof that it delivers exactly what it promises. The brainchild behind this agency is Mr. Hitesh Divasaliwala. Mr. Hitesh joined his family's textile business at a very young age of 17 years. However, he realized that this wasn't his calling. He finally realized that he is destined to be in the insurance industry and set up his own company in 2006. He currently runs the business with a well-trained and dedicated team of 5 members, including him. And when we say well-trained, we mean it. Because at Divasaliwala Insurance, the staff members receive periodic training in the field of insurance and related technologies. The company operates with the motto of right advice and right guidance. Mr. Hitesh has been also accorded with numerous awards. Divasaliwala Insurance provides a whole range of services from life insurance, health insurance, fire insurance, worker insurance, liability insurance, and travel insurance. Another area of key services provided by them is of spot service in the time claims. Whenever the event of a claim arises, the insurance professionals from Divasaliwala Insurance arrive at the spot and get the job done. Apart from that, Hitesh Divasaliwala is also a member of various business organizations like BNI Surat, Chamber of Commerce and Surat Textile Club. The company is a flag bearer of Digital India initiative as their entire work process is managed digitally with no physical documentation required. Add doorstep service and 24/7 availability to the list and you have got yourself the perfect insurance service provider in Divasaliwala Insurance. Along with handling business, Mr. Hitesh is extensively involved in social activities. He is currently the Vice President of Lions Club of Surat. Divasaliwala Insurance really value their clientele and work with a belief that once a client has chosen them, that client should never have to go anywhere else.
Surat is famously known as a city of business, and today we are joined by one such businessman, the insurance guru Hitesh Divasaliwala, and we are here to ask him a few questions. What are the different types of services that your company provides?
We provide life insurance, health insurance, car insurance, fire insurance, worker insurance, liability insurance. Also, we provide retirement solutions, wealth creation plan, tax planning, child education plan. Means we deal in all types of insurance and investment solutions.
What is the specialty of your agency?
Specialty, we provide 24/7 service. Plus, we provide doorstep services. We totally work digitally. And when there is any claim, we look into the matter very minutely and guide the customer in each and every step.
What makes Divasaliwala Insurance different from other competitors?
See, everybody provides service, but we provide special service. At the time of any major accident, we go to highway and guide them in each and every legal matter. When there is a fire claim, we visit the place and guide them what are the documents required, what is the pros and cons. So we each and every step we guide them. In the mediclaim, we also visit hospital and guide them what are the documents he need and prescriptions and whatever the things required, we make them prepared.
So how many clients have you served till now?
We are 14-year experience company, and till date we have 550 plus satisfied clients, and till date we have settled more than 10 crore plus amount of claim. If you want right advice and right guidance for any type of insurance, our company and our team is always ready to serve you better. Thank you.